Good afternoon students, I am Shamajit sir. Today I am here to deliver my lecture on topic Pisciculture. This is from the chapter Improvement in Food Resources. So watch the entire lecture to get basics out of it. So without any delay, let's start with the topic Pisciculture from the chapter Improvement in Food Resources. So let's start. Here, both three are the same name, clear? All are synonyms. It can be called fisheries, it can be called fish production, it can be called pisciculture, clear? So you can see very interesting slides I have shown. You can see marine fishes and inland fishes. We'll see what are the differences, clear? You see so different fishes pictures have been given. I give these pictures in my slides or in my videos because you get interested, you feel energetic to study biology, clear? Biology is a very good subject. You should know about yourself, and biology teaches that. So biology teaches you how to love yourself and the environment, clear? So let's proceed without any delay. Now see, in fish production or pisciculture, what happens? See, fish is a source of animal protein in our food, isn't it? And there are two ways of obtaining fish. They are from natural sources called capture fishing, or from farmings or from fish farmings called culture fisheries, clear? So the water source of fishes can be seawater, that is marine, or fresh water like rivers, ponds and lakes. So in marine fisheries, clear? Marine fisheries, the popular marine fisheries fish varieties are pomfret, mackerel, tuna, sardines, etc. They are caught by fishing nets from boats, clear? And some marine fisheries are farmed in seawater. They include prawns, mulets, pearls, spots, mussels, oysters, etc. We get pearls from oysters, clear? And for inland fisheries, sea culture fishery is done in fresh water or brackish water, where seawater and fresh water get mixed together, clear? Sometimes fish culture is done in combination with paddy crops in the field. This is called composite fish culture. We'll see these in detail in the next slides and all, clear? This is just a glance I'm giving. The common fishes in inland fish farms are rohu, katla, mrigal, grass carp, silver carp and common carp. We'll see all these in detail. Now, fish production. So fish production is a great source of protein in our diet. The fish production are of two types. One is finned fish production, or it is called true fish production. Another is unfinned fish production. Finned fish production means it includes production and management of cartilaginous and bony fishes such as pomfret, tuna, katla, prawns, rohu, clear? And unfinned fish production includes production of shellfish such as prawn and mollusk, clear? So next you see, depending on the mode of obtaining fishes, is of two different types. One is capture fishing, another is culture fishing. So what is a capture fishing? See, in capture fishing, it takes place naturally in naturally living fish is caught from water, clear? Naturally the fishes are there and we'll just caught it both in marine and inland, clear? And culture fishing means it is cultivating, clear? It is cultivated, rearing and harvested fish. Culture fishery is also called fish farming or pisciculture or aquaculture. So capture fisher means the farmers, that poor farmers go and catches fish, isn't it? From the sea, oceans, these are called capture. And culture means we breed it, isn't it? Culture it in artificial wells and all, clear? So these are the different varieties I have shown. See, katla fish, rohu fish, common carp, mrigal fish, silver carp and grass carp. Very beautiful diagram, you know. I hope you have liked it, clear? And watch the entire lecture so that you get truly beneficial out of it. So there is one more slide. See, grass carp, mori, silver carp, common carp, rohu and thala. So these are, see, so interesting figures, see, pictures. These are all real pictures I've given, see, so that you can learn, you can understand how fishes look like and what are the names, clear? Next you can see marine fishing. See, so what is marine fishing? The practice of rearing and culturing marine fish, that is fish found in seas and ocean, is called marine fishing or mariculture. Tuna, cod, sardines, pomfret, mackerel, etc. are common marine fishes. So marine fishes are caught by traditional methods or modern methods. So in traditional method, what we do, this include fishing nets and gear operated fishing vessels, clear. And modern methods, this include the use of echo sounders and satellites to locate fish shoals, clear. So when we use echo sounders and satellite, these are called modern fishing, modern methods. And traditional is fine by nets and all, how farmers catch a fish, isn't it, naturally. Now what is inland fishing? See, it includes fish production in fresh water, for example pond, rivers, lakes, reservoirs, and brackish water, for example estuaries. Inland fishing is also named as aquaculture. So in composite fish culture, you see, in this type of fish culture, 5 to 6 varieties of fish are reared in a single fish pond, because different feeding habits are considered: column feeder, bottom feeder, surface feeder. There are different types of feeding habit of fishes, clear. Surface feeder means those who derive food, those fishes derive food from the surface of the water. Bottom feeder means those fishes that derive food from the bottom of the water, clear. Bottom of the water body, it can be lake, it can be pond, it can be oceans, clear. And column feeder means those fishes that derive its food from the water body, from the columns away vertically, clear. So that's why in composite fish culture is an advanced technique, and they have proved to be beneficial, because if there are different feeding habits of different fishes, the fishes will not fight among themselves, no competition will be there, no struggle of existence will be there, no survival of fittest will be there, and the fishes can grow, thrive, isn't it? So we as a human being can sell or buy those, clear, and it will increase the economic benefit. But if I grow only one particular fishes or one particular feeding habit, only consider surface fishes, clear, those who derive food from the surface, then there will be a competition, survival of fittest among the fishes, isn't it? So they will fight in order to grasp the food. So we take different feeding habitats so that these fightings can be avoided. So they are selected so that they do not compete for food, clear. They should have different food requirements. For example, katla feeds in the upper part water, rohu feeds in the middle part of water, and mrigal and common carps feed at the bottom, clear. So there is surface feeder, bottom feeder, and column feeder. Now advantages of composite culture. So what are the advantages? Different fishes feed on different foods, so they do not compete for food. See, as I have said, 6 different types of fishes can be reared together in one pond. Very high yield is obtained. See, as I have said, if there are different feeders of fishes, no competition will there, no survival of fittest will there, fishes can grow, and the seller can sell, and more economic benefits will be there. And if there will be same feeding habit of fish, they'll fight among themselves, clear, and they'll harm each other. So what are the disadvantage of composite culture? See, many fish breeds only in the rainy season, so hormonal stimulation has to be given, and good quality seeds, clear, and that is organism used for reproduction, are not available. So good quality cannot be available, isn't it, during the rainy season, so it can removed and all. So student, these are the homework questions. You see, what are the advantages of composite fish culture? Name 5 varieties of fish, define pisciculture, clear. So these are the different homeworks. So here in this topic I have discussed about the entire fisheries or fish production. I have discussed about composite fish culture, clear. I have discussed about the surface feeder, column feeder, and bottom feeder. Thank you student. This was all about the entire lecture. Here I have discussed about the topic pisciculture. This was from the chapter Improvement in Food Resources. So stay at home, stay safe. I am Shomujit sir signing off for today, and again we'll meet in the next class. Thank you students.